Hey there, Shanka, everybody. This is going to be a quick video. It's just something I want to share with you guys. And yeah, let's get this across. So recently I met up with a few people. I had a discussion on crypto and all this stuff. They didn't have a full understanding of what crypto was, what blockchain is, what stocks is, and all that stuff. But they kept saying, oh, crypto is corrupt. And they were linking this to the recent crash. Oh, look how many people lost their money. Look how many people lost their houses. Look how many people lost their cars, their jobs, blah, 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 blah. And said, look how many people have lost all their savings, their retirement savings due to crypto. You cannot blame an asset, or you cannot blame a technology, or you cannot blame a tool for you not using that tool properly, or you not being able to understand which part of the tool is good for you and which part of the tool is not good for you. And then you go out and saying, oh, the tool itself is something that's wrong. This is just so people understand this, and send this to the people who say, oh, crypto is corrupt, crypto is like this whole hoax thing. I'm going to say it out right now. 90% of the projects are going to be fake. They're going to be losers. They're not going to make it to the next round. They're not going to make it to the next cycle. But that's on you to determine and do your research and do all your due diligence and decide which projects are going to make it. Why are you investing in things like Safe Moon and Lulu Coin and Dilu Coin and Pipu Coin and like Poo Coin and all these other things?
Stop it. Get some help.
Those coins are literally a copy paste of one another, and all they have is hype and marketing behind it. When you're putting money into hype, obviously there's no real utility to hype. So you have to be smart about this, and you have to do your own due diligence before you say crypto is corrupt, crypto is haram because people have lost money. No, people lose money in everything, and people make money in everything. It's on you if you understand the tool properly. 1 second, just for everybody. For the channel, you gotta like, come on, you gotta share, you gotta subscribe. You've been watching these videos, you gotta do all this stuff. I'm teaching you how to make that mashallah money. Inshallah, you make that mashallah money. And for example, if I give a chainsaw to somebody who doesn't know how to use a chainsaw and they accidentally hurt themselves, whose fault is it? It's the guy who's holding the chainsaw. It's the guy who's going out to do the actions. It's not the chainsaw's fault. It's made to go up or like it's made to do a certain action. And if you don't use it properly, then obviously it's gonna hurt you. So just like that, there's also a lot of asset classes. If you don't invest in them smartly, you're gonna get hurt. Right? Do not FOMO and do not think about ways to just quickly make money. Think about ways that are definite use cases and they're going to help produce the future of decentralized finance or just finance in general. Hope you guys like this video. Like, share, subscribe. Do send this to your friends who talk about crypto being corrupt and all that stuff, because it's time that they understand it's not corrupt. It's not something that's just out there to just for people to scam and stuff. If you get scammed or if you come, if you lost in this game, it's because you didn't have the knowledge to win. That's the thing with stocks. That's the thing with forex. That's the thing with commodities. That's the thing with real estate. Get the knowledge to win before you jump into the game. Win the game by understanding the rules of the game and how the game is played, so then you can win it. You don't play chess without knowing how each players move, right? It's just like that. Same thing with crypto. You do not come into investing in crypto, stocks, gold, mine, everything, and anything without understanding what that specific crypto does, what in general crypto has around itself, what financial tools do you need within investing in crypto, for example, charting, Fibonacci, fundamentals, technical, blah, blah, blah. You don't get into it without having the knowledge to do so. Simple as that. Hope you guys like, share it, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.